In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. Whether you're supporting family or friends or just managing your own funds, transferring money from Wise to GCash is a simple process once you know how. So let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, you'll need to open your Wise app. Once you're in, look for the Send option. This is usually prominently displayed on the app's main screen to help you get started without any hassle. Just tap on Send to begin the transfer process. After that, you'll be prompted to input the amount you want to send. Be mindful here, as currency conversions might apply depending on your location and the recipient's location. Wise typically provides you with real-time conversion rates, so you'll always know exactly how much your recipient will receive. Double check the amount, and once you're satisfied, proceed to the next step. Now that you've entered the amount, you'll see a summary that displays the exact amount the receiver will get. This is Wise's way of ensuring transparency, so you're fully informed before you commit to the transfer. At this point, you'll want to add the recipient, so click on the Add Recipient button. Once you hit Add Recipient, you'll need to specify the mode for the transfer. Since you're transferring to GCash, go ahead and choose e-wallet from the list of options. This helps Wise route your funds correctly and ensures they end up in the right place. Next, you'll encounter a choice regarding whom exactly you're sending the money to. Wise will ask if you're sending this money to yourself, someone else, or perhaps even a business or charity. Choose the appropriate option that best suits your transfer needs, making sure it's aligned with your intended purpose. Following this step, you will need to input the details of the receiver, ensure you have accurate information at hand, such as the mobile number or email associated with their GCash account. Carefully input these details, as even a small mistake could result in the transfer not reaching the intended recipient. After you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review all the details one last time. Once everything looks good, confirm your transfer. Wise will process your transaction, and your recipient should receive the money directly in their GCash account shortly thereafter. And there you have it, a smooth and simple way to transfer money from Wise to GCash. Hopefully this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you to understand. Remember to always double check all entered information to ensure a seamless transfer experience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips.